Ever walked into your tiny apartment and felt an inexplicable heaviness that drained your spirit? This feeling stems from blocked energy flow. I lived in a 300 square foot studio for 3 years and felt constantly drained until I discovered simple Feng Shui tricks. In today's video, I'll share subtle yet powerful shifts that completely transform my space and recharge my energy. These adjustments create practical energy shifts anyone can implement, regardless of how small your living area is. These aren't mystical rituals or complicated processes, just straightforward changes that make a remarkable difference in how your home feels and functions. Have you ever noticed how some tiny apartments feel spacious, while others feel suffocating even when they're the same size? The secret isn't just about square footage, it's all about energy flow. In Feng Shui, we call this energy qi, and in small spaces, qi can easily get trapped or blocked. Small spaces create unique energy problems. When qi gets stuck, it affects you physically and mentally. Many clients report feeling constantly tired, having trouble sleeping, and struggling to focus at work because the energy in their home isn't flowing properly. I discovered this in my own studio. After months of feeling drained, I realized my apartment had become a chai trap instead of a qi enhancer. My home was taking energy from me rather than giving it back. I identified 3 major energy traps causing the problem. The first trap was at my entry point. Think of your front door as the mouth that feeds energy into your space. In my apartment, energy would hit a wall of shoes, coats, and furniture, then immediately stagnate, like water hitting a dam instead of flowing downstream. Moving from the entryway deeper into the space, we encounter the second problem: bed placement. About 78% of people position their beds where energy gets stuck circling around them all night. My bed was pushed against the wall with the head under a window, creating an energy vortex that disrupted my sleep patterns. The third issue was dead corners, those awkward spaces that become clutter magnets. My kitchen corner became a dumping ground for mail and random items. These neglected areas act like energy quicksand, where qi enters but never escapes. When I mapped my apartment's energy flow, I was shocked. The qi couldn't move through my space. It was getting stuck at the entrance, swirling chaotically around my bed, and disappearing in those neglected corners. After seeing my energy map, I knew something had to change. But I didn't have the budget for new furniture or fancy Feng Shui cures. Instead, I discovered a 5-step method that transformed my space using only what I already owned. Most people assume good Feng Shui requires special objects or complete reorganization, but the most powerful shifts often come from subtle adjustments anyone can make in a single afternoon. With my energy map in hand, let me walk you through these 5 transformative steps. Step 1. Create your bagua map. Grab paper and pencil, draw your apartment's outline, and divide it into 9 equal sections like a tic-tac-toe board. Each section represents different life areas: wealth, fame, relationships, family, health, creativity, knowledge, career, and helpful people. Visualize your own space as you follow along. This map becomes your energy blueprint. Step 2. Clear your entry point. In my apartment, moving a bookshelf just 18 inches from my door created a breathing room where energy could enter and circulate. Think of your entryway as the mouth of a river. It needs space to flow freely. Once you've opened up your entryway, step 3 addresses your sleeping sanctuary. I used a $10 mirror trick, placing it on the wall opposite my bed at an angle, like a gentle stream redirecting around a rock. This mirror guided energy flow around my sleeping area rather than through it. My sleep improved within days. Step 4 transforms awkward corners into energy generators. I stacked 3 books with a small plant in one corner and placed an uplight in another. These simple objects draw the eye upward, creating vertical movement in previously stagnant spots. Finally, Step 5 employs the light and plant method. Place a lamp in your darkest corner and add a trailing plant near a window. The light attracts energy, while the plant helps it move and thrive, creating a natural circulation throughout your space. I hope you're feeling inspired to make some changes in your small space. Remember, creating an environment where energy flows freely supports your daily life. The beauty of these techniques is that you can start small. Try just one change this weekend, perhaps rearranging your entry area or experimenting with that plant and light combination. Can you feel a difference already? When I cleared my entryway, the stagnant feeling transformed into fresh possibility. Now it's your turn to unleash positive energy in your space. Share which Feng Shui fix you plan to try first in the comments. Let's inspire each other.